Hello, this is Bob with Bob CNC. Welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're going to be looking at the KL7 series. We're actually going to be using a 55, but this will apply to the KL7 44 and the 33. We're just going to be looking at making sure our set screws are tight and our belt pulley is aligned. So if you have the power on and all of your servo drives are working properly, yet you can do this, chances are the actual belt pulley is just rotating around the stepper motor shaft, right? So it actually should be locked into place. So what you want to do is find the flat on the servo shaft. It'll be a D shape, so I have a flat on it. And once you find that, by looking through here, you're going to just want to go ahead and tighten up that set screw, right? And then with the power off, you can go ahead and rotate it around to tighten the other one. And then once the power is on, then as we just turned it on, you'll see that now it's locked into place, and you can actually force it to move, but you'll hear the motor grinding to fight back. So definitely want to make sure that your set screws are tight, and you want to make sure that the belt is parallel going down through the idler pulleys so that you have good translation between the static and the dynamic belt. That's what we have for this video. Thanks for watching.